Murabona, welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park. These mountains, forests, and lakes are home to amazing wildlife.
Hello, from another village.
Welcome. You look tired. A bit, but I'm okay.
I made it to your village.
Welcome. We were expecting you.
Hello, is this the village square?
Yes, welcome. You must be tired.
Come, join us for tea. Made it to the village. Welcome. You ran the whole way?
You must be.
Hello, from the next village over.
Welcome.
Come, join us. Hello, which way to the market? Straight ahead. Welcome to our village. Hello, I've come from the other village.
Welcome. We are glad you could join us.
Please come and rest.
Hello, I've run from afar. Welcome.
You must be tired.
Come, rest. Good run today.
Keep going.
Thanks. Hey, you made it.
Yeah, finally. Good to see you.
Come on over. Welcome. You run far? Yes, to the next village. Which way?
Straight ahead.
Good luck. The river is flooding. We need help.
Flooding? How bad is it?
It's rising fast.
Hello, you've come a long way.
Yes, from the next village.
Welcome. Join us.
Hey everyone.
Welcome back.
Good to see you all. Hello, I've run from the next village.
Welcome. Join us for a meal.
Welcome to our village.
You look like you've come far. I have, thank you. Hello, from the next village over.
Welcome. You made it.
Yes, thank you. Hello, fine day for a run. Welcome, come join us.
Yes, rest a bit. Welcome to our village.
You look like you've come far. I have, thank you. Hello, I've run from the next village.
Welcome. Join us for a meal.
Welcome, traveler. You've come far. Thank you. The village is beautiful.
Welcome, traveler.